So we'll just try this ate. Ito mas maanghang na Burmese name. Parang perfume. Yes. Bili ako ng isang sticker. So lumabas lang ako from ito truffle din. Welcome to our day 2 here in Singapore. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng National Gallery, Singapore. I already pre-booked my ticket through Klook. From my hostel, naglakad lang ako ng 2 minutes papunta dito sa bus station. I just hope na hindi tayo maligaw kasi kagabi talaga ang lala ng pagkaligaw ko nung pauwi na ako. So I had to walk so long para makauwi. So let's hope for the best. I'm trusting Google Maps. And I have to be alert this time around. Guys, dapat hindi pala ako dun sa bus stop na yun nag-aantay. Dapat dun sa kabilang side. Kaya pala sabi sa Google Maps, umalis na yung bus. Pero wala akong nakikitang bus. Okay. Noted. Dito ako dapat sa station na yan mag-antay. Hindi dun sa kabila. Baliktad. Let's go. Yeah, but ang ganda ng daan dito. Ang aliwalas. Let's go! Ang taas lang. Buti na lang I'm wearing a comfortable pair of shoes. Ang taas, nangangatog ako. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi ko naman masyadong ginagawa sa Pilipinas. Pero pag nasa ibang bansa, go! Eto, ayan dapat tayo. So, dito tayo mag-antay ng bus 107. Muna ulit tayo dito. Ayan. Sabi sa Google, I've arrived. From Plaza Park Royal, sasakay tayo ng pa Woodlands. In 2 minutes, andito na yung bus. So, antayin na natin. Dito na yung bus. Tatap lang natin tong GCash card natin para makapagbayad tayo. Ganda ng panahon, guys. Sana hindi ko ma-jinx. Mukhang tama naman, guys. After City Hall Station, exit B. So, dito dapat tayo. Mag-walk na lang tayo to the gallery. It says on Google Maps, maglalakad lang tayo ng 2 minutes. So, let's do that. Ayan. From here, sa kinatatayuan ko, maglalakad lang tayo papunta sa kabila. Damit na tig-10. But yeah, focus tayo sa goal. Guys, sa kabilang side pala tayo dapat. Ano pa nga ba? Naligaw na naman po ang inyong lingkod. Charing. Ayan. Bumalik tayo ulit. Tumawid tayo ulit. Tapos from here, ang sabi ay saan ba? Sa diba? Ayun! Guys! Ayun na pala! Diyos ko po! Yung dapat na 2-minute walk lang. Naging 8 minutes. Ano ba naman yan? Sige! Yun yung National Gallery, Singapore. sa loob, guys. And ang ganda dito. Saan ko kaya makaklaim yung ticket ko? Kasi nag-pre-book na ako sa Klook. Let me see. Is this where I can
This side
claim?
is the white counter. Okay,
This, yeah. Thank you so much. White concierge daw tayo. Hello, good morning. Is this where I can claim this? Ito pala, guys. May sign ng Klook. Yep. All good na, guys. Meron na tayong sticker dito. Pwede na tayong pumasok. Saan ba tayo pwede makakuha ng map? Morning. Is there a map somewhere of the museum?
Map.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Guide map.
To finish, you can move up to level 3. After you move up to level, finish this 3 gallery visit, level 2, you move up to level 3, cross over the bridge, or the dark green one.
Only the green
And
ones.
also this one also. Can?
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you so
Can?
much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'll go up now. Thank you. Sabi ng ate, start daw tayo sa Gallery 1. It's somewhere here. And then, dapat mag-end up tayo sa Gallery 3. Ayun yung Gallery 1, guys. So, dyan tayo mag-start. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang ganda. Hala. Parang gusto ko dito ng picture or ng video na umaarte-arte. Already, guys, and I'm liking how helpful people are here. From what I heard, this gallery has the biggest collection of Southeast Asian arts, around 9,000 arts, but only a few pieces are displayed here. So I'm happy I actually went here, and I'm actually thinking if I should go to the Into the Modern exhibit, because I did not buy a ticket for that. I only got general admission. I don't know yet. I might get a ticket, but I also have some places to hit up for my last day. We're done with level 2, guys. I'm just going to the level 3 naman. Nag-wait lang ako ng lift. This is the link from the National Gallery going to the Supreme Court wing. Going to the 4th floor, guys. Taas naman ito. Next stop na tayo, guys. So, from National Gallery Singapore, pupunta ako ng Maxwell para doon ako mag-lunch. So, 9 minutes lang daw from here. I need to walk for 3 minutes and then sakay ako ng bus papunta sa Maxwell Station Exit 2. Ang ganda nitong paligid ng National Gallery Singapore, guys. Ang tahimik tapos ang aliwalas. Guys, parang ang galing ko na. Nasa tamang landas ako. Based dito sa Google Maps. Ang ganda ng area na to. Yun, guys, tama ako. Nandito tayo sa opposite the Treasury na bus stop. Tapos sasakay tayo pa Maxwell. Check ko lang anong bus. From dito sa off the Treasury, sasakay tayo ng bus 145. Pupunta tayo ng Maxwell Station Exit 2. 3 stops yan. 2:09 PM pa guys yung next na bus. Ang maganda dito, nakalagay talaga kung anong oras darating. On time siya based on my experience. So, antay lang tayo ng saglit. Ayun yung sinakyan natin na bus. Bumaba na tayo dito sa Maxwell Food Center. And katabi lang yan ng station na Maxwell Exit B yata. Ayan. So, pasok tayo. I'm hoping to try the chicken rice. So, yeah. I'm excited to eat. I'm hungry. Guys, yung gusto natin i-try na Hainanese chicken, yung Tian Tian, it's closed. So, we'll just try this Ate Hainanese chicken instead. I heard it's also good, so we'll give it a try. Kaso yung pila, blockbuster. It's here guys. This is the set. So it has chicken rice, bok choy, steamed rice, soup, and sauce. It smells so good. Very clean flavor. Mild and clean flavor. Let's try it with the rice. This has some kick to it. And I really like it. Para siyang yung na-try ko sa Lau Pasat na sauce kahapon. Nung oyster omelette. Ang sarap nun. Ito, mas maanghang na version. Yung sauce na to elevates yung flavor nitong Hainanese chicken rice because very mild and clean yung flavor niya. But when you add the sauce, nagkakaroon siya ng kick. You also have a Milo Dino here, guys. I've tried one in Malaysia and since then, hindi ko na nakalimutan yung lasa niya. The one in Malaysia is more malty and it's reminiscent of the Milo that we grew up with, not the bland tasting Milo that we have now. But hopefully this one lives up to the hype. I'll just take a photo. Okay, let me try my Milo Dino. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Ito yung lasa na hinahanap ko. Wow. Sarap. Walking towards Chinatown na masasagasaan pa nga. There's the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, guys. Diyan tayo punta. Tawid tayo. Taas ng araw, I can't see if makikita ng camera, but we're crossing this street going to the Chinatown Street Market. There's the entrance to the Chinatown Street Market, and dito may rows and rows of souvenir shops. Actually, not only souvenirs, but like a mix of shops. This entire row, it's the Chinatown Market. So we'll explore and see if meron tayong mabibili dito. But just to give you guys an idea, ito yung mga prices ng what do you call this? Ref mag here. It's one for $3. So I think that's much more expensive than the one I got. So 2 for $5, which isn't bad. Actually, ang ganda nito. I like this particular one. Also this, magaganda yung option ng ref mag nila. Okay, let's go. Uso rin itong mga evil eye na stuff dito. So may mga evil eye din keychain. Na pwede kayo dito magpagawa ng stamp, guys. Ayan, may mga customized stamps sila. Pwedeng yung image nyo. Then pwede ring Chinese name. Look, even mga characters, anime characters, pwede rin. Guys, bibili ako ng isang sticker for my souvenir. Yun yung mga trinket na gusto kong binibili. So, I'll buy that. Or tingin tayo ng iba pa. Oh, ref magnet, enamel magnet. Ang ganda naman ito. But it's $14. That's expensive. Ito yung mga kinokollect ko na trinkets. Stamp book. Look. This is how much? $8. Would be really nice to have. Stamp passport. Ganda. The heart one, yes. Just one. How much? $1. Okay. Oh. We're inside the temple, guys. So guys, bag. 2 for $10. Lucky Charms, 6 for $9. Kung nalilitan kayo dun sa selection ng Maxwell, guys, you can go here, Chinatown Complex Hawker Center instead. I feel like they have a better selection. Mas madami yung floors niya. 2 floors. And then meron pang mga stores aside from food. Dito lang siya talaga at the heart of the Chinatown. So, ayan yung temple. Ito yung streets or yung market. Tapos, ito yung Chinatown Complex. Guys, so we're going to our next stop. So, from here sa Chinatown, sasakay tayo dito sa Maxwell MRT. And then, we'll go down to Orchard. Mga 3 or 4 stops lang. Diretso lang siya, walang line transfer. So, dito na lang tayo. Guys, dito pala sa Singapore, you stand on your left, not on the right. Because I've been getting it wrong this whole time. Ang init sa labas. We're here, guys, inside the station. So, from here, let me zoom in. From here sa Maxwell, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stops lang going to Orchard. Tapos walk na lang tayo papunta ng Ion Orchard. Orchard Station. So from here sa Orchard Station, we'll exit to exit 8. Then 210 meters of walking, guys. We'll exit through there sa 1 to 11. Ang luwag naman ng train stations nila, guys. Tapos malamig pa. Ang luwag, ang linis. Ito, guys, yung Orchard. We'll roam around lang. Saglit dito. Baba tayo. Sa mga baba, may kainan din. Then here, may mga shops. There's a Zara. Kanina sa taas may Aesop. Guys, I'm inside Uniqlo Ion Orchard. And I just saw this Singapore exclusive key. And I find it so cute. So, I'll just try it on. And pag nagustuhan ko, ito yung susuot ko pa airport. So, tingnan natin. Diba? Looks so cute. It says, Mickey Sate. So cutesy. Yeah, it's for $19.90. So, $20. 20 Singaporean dollars. Kind of expensive. Guys, look how cute this is. Mickey Sate. Okay. Are you a member? No. It's 1990. Confirm. Ano? 10 cents yung paper. Ito pala 1990. installation here at Gentle Monster. Oh, ang trippy. Mas maka-artista, guys. Sorry po, bawal po magpa-picture. Sorry, no autograph. Wow, what is this? Gaganda ng bus ng Singapore. We're done with the orchard, guys. Dumaan din tayo sa Tangs. Tapos now, nandito tayo sa bus stop. Nag-aantay lang tayo ng bus 518. Ayan. Ito yung Orchard Station, Tang Plaza. Tapos, sasakay tayo bus 518. Papunta naman sa Merlion and Marina Bay Sands. Kasi, I'm yet to see the Merlion. My trip wouldn't be complete without seeing that. So, punta tayo doon. So, after Merlion, I'm just gonna go back to the hotel to charge my phone and gadgets. Tsaka, ibaba yung mga binili ko kanina. Tapos, lalabas tayo para mamili naman ng mga pasalubong. Lion Park, and look at the view of Marina Bay Sands and the museum. We're just walking towards the Merlion, guys. Daming turista and kanya-kanyang picture. There's the Merlion. Ang daming tao. Ayun. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Puro mga nakanganga. Dito tayo sa 7-Eleven. Bumili lang tayong water. Tingin lang tayo anong meron dito. Meron lang parang cabinet for ice cream. Merlion. Buo na yung trip natin sa Singapore. Let's go na. Let's go back to Bugis. Hi, juice. $3. Tchan! Yay! Hi, juice. Galing, no? From the vendor, you'll get fresh orange juice. Oh, wow. As in, real orange siya, guys. Meron pa siyang pulp. And it says here, no sugar added. It's 100% fresh. Lasang-lasa mo yung tamis, tsaka yung asim. And then, meron pang pulp. Worth it. Just arrived at the Bugis Junction, guys. It's already 8:22 p.m. I can't believe that I just have a few hours left. So, susulitan natin siya. Maghahanap tayo ng mga pwede natin pang pasalubong. Nandito ako ngayon sa Bugis Junction. I'll go to Bugis Street. Dito sa Bugis Junction, guys, para siyang mini na mall. Maraming mga branded na stores. At I'm looking kasi for the Bugis Street. Yung mga may murang pasalubong, ganyan. Ay, ang cute naman itong Mufasa na pop-up. Meron sila yung for Chinese New Year. Sana tayo ng mga mura na pwede natin pampasalubong. Nahanap ko yung chocolates. Saan kaya meron? So, yun mga ref magnets, guys. 4 $10. Pero done na kasi tayo. Pero ito, oh, may keychain sila. Parang ang cute nito. 4 $10. Ito, guys. May mga Irvins na products. Kaso medyo mahal yung Irvins, guys. Tingnan natin dito. Ito, meron silang mga chocolates. 3 $10. Tapos meron din cookies. Merlion cookies. 4 $10. Mix and match. Kung isa lang kukunin nyo, $3. Ayan, meron dito. Ito, may mga Merlion cookies din. Apat is $10. Ayan, tapos may mga truffle. Parang ganito yung nabili ko sa Malaysia, yung mga ganyan truffle. 3 $10 dito. Ito din, no? May truffle. How much is this? How much for...
7 packs $10.
Sorry?
7 packs $10.
$7 for one?
No, 7 packs $10.
7 pack? $10? Ooh! Ito, parang maganda itong pamigay. So, I'll maybe get 7. Sige, kuha ko nito. Ayan. Bili akong 14 pieces siguro. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yung truffle, 3 for 12. So, take 3 for $10. Mas mura ba yun? Kesa sa kabila. Guys, I found ABC. Super cheap daw dito. So, bili tayo. Ayan, may mga tigwa $1 lang. 85 cents. Ayan guys, bumili ako ng 20 pieces nito. Danish chocolate. Maybe I should have gotten 25. Sige, gawin natin 25. Para hindi mabitin.
$30.05.
$30.05. Okay, hold on. I only have 10. Guys, bumili din ako nitong parang mga butter cookies. Yung apat is $10. Tapos ito truffle, pasalubong ko sa office. And then itong Irvin's na salted egg. Tapos ito truffle din. And then mga chocolates. Yung pamahid. Hala, parang hindi to kasya sa ano ko, maleta. Good luck kung paano ko to ipapack. Parang kailangan ko bumili ng tote bag, guys. Sige, I'll figure it out. How much is it?
25.
25?
Yeah.
Oh no. So I still have money. Let me see. How much is
Oh, enough. Yeah, you still
Enough?
have 10.
Okay.
But you need to give me these 2 pieces now.
Oh, two?
Yeah.
Oh, $2.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, $70 gone today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's the cheapest tote bag that you have? Like a big
3 for 10. This.
for 10.
And then the one.
Just scan to pay.
Yeah.
Paying through Alipay. Here you go. It's done.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guys, ito lahat yung napamili natin. Naubos yung natitira kong $70. $6 na lang yung meron ako. Hindi pa ako kumakain. So, nag-OA ako masyado. Ang problema ko ngayon, carry-on lang ang meron ako. So, looks like I'll need to buy myself a baggage before my flight. Anyway, that's our time here in Bugis Street. Uwi muna ako and then doon na lang ako kakain sa malapit sa hostel. Okay, time to go home, guys. Habol ako ng dinner guys dito sa malapit sa amin. Dito tayo kumain ng biryani nung first day natin. So, ito parang masarap tong curry nila. Ito parang may nasa lemak din sa loob. Oh, ang laki guys. I don't even know what I ordered. Pero ito guys, nagpa-add na lang ako ng egg. Tapos I'm just waiting for my tetheric. Ito na rin yung iced tetheric. Last time I tried yung hot na tetheric and I really liked it. So I'm getting it ng ice kasi ayoko ng hot. Pag pawis na tayo. Cheers guys! Then cheese that with tetheric. Wow, sarap. Ito yung restaurant na kinainan natin ng dinner, guys. Noor Faida Restaurant. It serves Muslim Indian food or Indian Muslim food. Ang friendly ng staff, guys. And ang lalaki pa ng serving. So if you guys wanna try Muslim Indian, this is the place. Ang dami din kumakain dito. Ayan. Tapos meron pa mga seats at the back. So, from there, ito na lang yung hostel ko. Ayan, guys, yung building na yan. Lalakarin ko lang yan. Diba? Ang lapit. So, ayan. I've been taking selfies here since day 1. Ayan. Uwi na tayo kasi mag-iimpake pa tayo.